In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI thumbnail for a Roblox video. So the platform that we're going to use is novoads.ai. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, we need to go to the image section and use these settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And here, where it says title, we need to put the title of our video. For example, playing Roblox with my friends. And now here, where it says text overlay, is the text that is going to appear in the thumbnail. For example, here it was genius or crazy. So let's put the best game, for example. And here I'm not going to upload an image of reference, so I'm going to erase this. And now we have to click this button. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the result, and as you can see, the quality of the thumbnails are really good. So if you want to try this platform, I wanted to tell you that there is an offer that you can try it for just $1 if you are a new user. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.